If you've ever wanted to turn some of your ideas into videos, but you don't have, for example, a good camera or a microphone in order to materialize these ideas, this tool might be just the one that you're looking for. Today we're going to be checking out a software called InVideo AI. It is a really powerful tool that is powered by AI. It lets you create videos based on prompts that you write on the website, and it helps you through all the process of creating a video, from scripting to audio and video. So I'm gonna make my face disappear real quick so I can show you the software a bit better and explain to you the basic functions of how you can create a video using InVideo AI. This is the homepage of InVideo. I've already created an account using an email. It asked me in which way I would use InVideo. I just wrote that I'm a filmmaker, so it is gonna create videos based on that description that I gave of myself and how I'm gonna be using those videos. Before we write any prompt, we have some options right here at the bottom. For example, if we wanna create an ad using UGC, we could click in this option. Right now we're gonna create a short video, so we're gonna click this option right here, and we can specify a bit more in this tab right here. We can create a fast-paced or very fast-paced. Let's just keep it fast. And right here you can click on YouTube Shorts, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. We're gonna create a YouTube short. Let's say that the topic of the short is gonna be food, and we can add, for example, background music, subtitles, some watermark text. For now, let's just click on background music, and we can specify which kind of music we want to use in our video. Chill and relaxed, let's say, and we click on proceed. So InVideo is going to use those specifications we wrote in order to create the video. It's going to take a couple of minutes to generate the video itself. And before InVideo shows us the final product, it asks us to specify from two plans. For example, plan number 1 is 160-second faceless food video with stock media. We can specify which audience we want to show our video to. Let's say that our video is going to be aimed at students. We can change the voiceover tone from friendly to informative and playful. Add a creative strategy, trending recipe, food hack, or food showcase. I'm going to leave it on trending recipe. We just need to wait a couple of minutes for InVideo to create the video. So this is the video that InVideo AI created. Let's take a look at it.
Got 5 minutes? Let's make a snack that's taking over campus TikTok. Today, we're making the viral tortilla wrap hack perfect for busy students. Grab a tortilla, slice halfway up from one edge. Now, fill each quarter with your favorite stuff. Think scrambled eggs, cheese, veggies, or even leftover chicken. Fold it up quarter by quarter into a triangle.
As you see, it created a video that is aimed for students, and it is a trendy video for them to have a really quick and savory lunch. If we go to this option right here at the bottom, we can give additional prompts for InVideo to edit the video. For example, we could change the subtitle outline, we can change the current stock to a video drone, any other command that you want to edit your video. This option right here lets us choose from different variations. For example, if we've already asked the software to modify something, the different versions would be shown here. Once you've edited the video any way you want it, we can download it. For the free version, we have a video with watermarks with the InVideo branding. If you want to use the paid versions, on the description box down below there are some affiliate links that you can use. And in this part, InVideo AI is going to render the video for us to download and use. We can save the video in our computer, and if we go to check it out right here, we have our 9:16 YouTube short video with the InVideo branding as you see right here. Now let's go back to the homepage and let's write a prompt ourselves in order to see how the software manages a prompt created from scratch. So let's see this simple prompt. Create a 50-second YouTube short about 5 most viewed movies ever with an upbeat tone, male voice, and a subscribe call to action. If we click on generate my video, it's gonna take a couple of minutes to create the video that we want. Once again, in this step, we can specify further how we want the video to be created. We can specify we want it for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, or Reels. I want it for YouTube Shorts, as I wrote in the prompt. Let's say that we want pop culture fans as our target audience, and let's click on countdown creative strategy because those videos really work with audiences. Let's just click on continue and wait for the software to create the video. So this is the video that InVideo created. It created the script, it found stock videos and images to use, and added the audio. Let's check it out.
If you don't like boring movie trivia but still want to sound like a film buff, then stick around for this countdown of the 5 most watched movies ever. At number 5, we've got Avengers: Infinity War. Superheroes, epic battles, and box office gold. Number 4 is Star Wars: The Force Awakens. The saga returned and fans just couldn't stay away. Coming in at 3,
As you see, the software created exactly what I told him to create. It has some limitation. Obviously, it cannot use copyrighted images, so it couldn't add images from the movies themselves, but the basic idea of the video was very well executed. It was a countdown, watched movies of all time. Once again, we could edit the video further. Let's say we want to change the music, and let's see what InVideo creates. And InVideo is gonna create a new version using a different kind of music. So InVideo already changed the music to a more epic music. Let's check it out.
If you don't like boring Awakens, the saga returned and fans just couldn't stay away.
It followed along the prompt perfectly. It added a more epic music as I told him to do. And using InVideo, you could create videos using your own media as well. You could upload images and videos for it to use in the videos it produces. But I find the AI tool to work very well from scratch. As you see, it created videos using simple prompts really quickly and well. And that is pretty much it, how you use the basic functions of InVideo AI. You could apply this to different fields or topics for your videos to be created on. I want to know if you guys have already used this software. I want to read all your comments down below. As I told you in this video as well, we have some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use the paid version so you don't have the watermark on your videos. Once again, my name is Santiago. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, go check out our channel and subscribe to check out all of the other tutorials we have on different softwares. Thank you very much for being here and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.